Puleng, where have you been all my life?
Ow!
Oh.
Ow!
Shit, oh shit. I'm so sorry again. Oh shit, let me just...
No, it's fine. It's fine.
I see you made a new friend. Does she want kush?
Okay, come here. Puleng, where have you been all my life? How mtswalle fela hona ke batla be kgarebe ya ka. For now and forever.
Sisterhood, a loving companion. Am I not worth it? Don't feel like I fit in. My friends don't even know the real me. Gotta keep my guard up. These questions make me harder. They ask about my sister.
Yeah, I heard him laughing it out, tagging him out. I heard him claiming they back, saying they vouch. I heard him saying they love him inside out, but I'm hurting because I never had what they talking about. They walk as a pair, handing each other's back in each other. I never known what it feels like, but I've dreamed of it. I long it, I really want it, I need it. Don't I deserve it?